The third thing is going to be strategic alliance. So you don't have money, but you want to go into business, then you can form strategic alliance. Now be careful here, because for a one-liner definition, we say that strategic alliance is an arrangement between two companies to undertake a mutually beneficial project while each retain its independence. And so strategic alliance means you need to have your relationship right. Let me give you an example. When I wanted to start my business at school, what happened was that I needed an office space, but I didn't have money to rent an office. In addition to the office, we need desks, we need, board, we need all of the things that we need for classes. But I didn't have the money for that because I had zero in my account. So what did I do? I formed a strategic alliance based on my relationship. And so there was one gentleman who was my student, and through the student relationship, we got to know each other, and we started talking, sharing some thoughts and all of those things. And he told me that, he had a school, they do languages and computers and all that. So we shared a lot of things in common in that regard. And so when I wanted to start my school, I didn't have money. So what did I do? I called him and I sent him a proposal, and I said, hey, listen, you guys run your languages, you do your computer classes. I am going to be running the school for my professional qualification program. These are two different things. You don't do it, so there's no conflict of interest. And my classes are going to be in the evening, where you have finished with your business or you're finished with your tuition, and so the place is not used for anything. So I want you to give me this place, and I'll be using it in the evenings for my classes, and in return, I give you 30% of the revenue. Listen, 30% of revenue, not profit, revenue. That is what strategic alliance is. Guess what? He accepted it, and that is where we started building all of the things that you see today. I didn't have money, but I had relationship. I didn't have money, so I formed a strategic alliance. And this is what you need to do for the most part for your business. So find out and see how you can use strategic alliance in your business. Find out how you can start your business using the strategic alliance. So you want to go into business, but you don't have the money available. Is it possible you form an alliance with another company, another person, where they give you what they have, which will help you to build your business, and in return they share in the profit? Again, it goes back to the mindset issue that I spoke about. Because for most of you, you are greedy. You want to be the one to own everything. But this is the lesson I've learned over the years. It is better to own 10% of $1 billion company than to own 100% of $1 million company. Listen carefully. So ownership is not, I am 100% owner of this company. How much is the company? What is it worth? What is the value of the company? So you have 100% of the company, but it's not going anywhere. You have 100% of the company, but you're not making any money. You have 100% of the company, but there is no progress. So forming strategic alliance means letting that ownership greediness go, so that you bring people on board, form strategic alliance with them or other companies, and share in the profit or share in the revenue. And that is what you need to understand when we talk about strategic alliance. And so based on the relationship, based on the quality of my mindset about entrepreneurship, and I had the relationship there, I formed a strategic alliance. And that is where we started everything. And I am where I am today, generally at the end of the day. And so you want to start a business, you don't have money, you need a strategic alliance. So what business are you going into? I want you to sit down, analyze this carefully. Whatever business you want to start, yes, you don't have the money available, but look into your network of relationships. Is there anybody you know who will have something you will need to get your business going? Remember, quality of relationship. Is there any business that you have done something with, that you have a good relationship with, that you can use their assets, their resources to promote your agenda, to launch your business? Is there something like that? Form strategic alliance with them.